Hello guys, it's Nuru. How are you? This is Kubota Chachika from H Bush. What are you doing now? Okay, watching me. Okay, she is my friend. Okay, for me, I will sing you and okay. No, because even when I call you to the my team. Okay, thank you. So guys, what are you doing now? Now here I am to talk about to this thing that তোর এক কথায় this where I am the Jeet Ganguly and the heroine is Queer Malik, she is Anjuman Talukdar Amira. So that's why I am reaching it Ajik, who those who want to see Ajik on YouTube or on media on in front of media, then you can contact with me and I am writing some various kind of collections for my country Bangladesh. Okay, bye bye.